Why most people lose money trading. Most people don't lose money in trading because the market is bad. They lose money because trading looks easy, but it is not. If trading was easy, everyone would be rich. But the truth is, most traders lose money. In this video, I'll explain why. Many people start trading with hope. They see screenshots of profits. They hear stories of fast money. So they think, I can do this too. But after some time, money starts disappearing. Let's understand the real reasons. The biggest reason people lose money is simple. They trade without a plan. They don't know when to buy, when to sell, how much to risk. They just click buy and hope. Trading without a plan is like driving without a map. You might move fast, but you don't know where you're going. Trading is not about charts only, it is about emotions. People get greedy when they see profit. People get scared when they see loss. Greed says, hold longer. Fear says, exit now. And emotions always make bad decisions. Professional traders control emotions. Beginners don't. Most people enter trading for one reason. I want fast money. But trading is not a shortcut. Fast money thinking leads to big risk, big position, big losses. Slow money thinking protects you. The market rewards patience, not hurry. This is very important. Many traders ask, how much can I earn? But they never ask, how much can I lose? Good traders focus on loss first. Bad traders focus only on profit. One bad trade should not destroy your account. But for most people, it does. People copy trades from social media. They don't know why the trade was taken, when to exit, what risk was used. By the time you copy, it's already late. Your money is real, their advice is free. Never forget that. The simple truth, trading is a skill. Skills need time. Most people don't want to learn, they want results. That's why most people lose.